Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Oh gosh, where, what, no, go. Okay.
It looks like Azimuth lives in a decommissioned mining robot on Torin 4.
Got it.
How do
Thanks,
we
Morgan.
boost
I'll head
again?
over there now.
I think it's square, right? Why would I want to perform a U-turn? That thing is right here. Ow, I just stubbed my toe on this table. Hello. Get out to me, car. What? Okay, we need 6 more for next upgrade. Or that's like how many Zoni we'll need to next upgrade. Get out to me, car. Why did he look all dirty?
Come in. I just landed on Torin 4. Did the phone going to know where I can find Azimuth?
Chief, something says he supposedly lives in the ruins of Volgrum Pass.
Volgrum Pass. Alright. Maybe someone around here can point me in the right direction. See what else you can find. I'll be in touch.
Alright, so
Work out.
is it just me or does this level really remind me of the Guru's level? I don't know. What? Is that a gold bolt? How the heck do you get that? Whatever. Alright. Since we've got out to the car, we can continue on Torin 4. Right? Torin 4? I discovered an ammo crate. Okay, I've discovered many. Oh, camo crates. I thought it said ammo crates. I was like, what? I did get my diamond camo for my bow earlier today. Actually, probably like an hour ago. What's up, bruh?
Greetings, outsider. What brings you to Monoth? Volgrum Pass. Surely a peaceful adventurer such as yourself has no business in such a dangerous place. But if you insist, it is just beyond the hollow.
Dang, that city right there.
Ask the Guardian for entry.
I didn't even notice that city.
Ah, yes. I have heard such a name before. It is said he arrived on a ball of fire, a comet perhaps, and claimed the Bernilius sector for his own. A place of rebirth. The trash of one becomes the
Alright. When I first played this game, I did not notice that big city right there. I am very dumb. Ah! Enemies. I don't like him. Woo! Oh! Badang. Badang. Why don't I just use a weapon? That sounds good. Yep, that's definitely better. Hola.
Halt, outsider. What business have you in the hollow?
I'm looking for Volgrum Pass.
Volgrum Pass, where the exile dwells. It is beyond this hollow. But we do not grant entrance to outsiders. They must find it for themselves.
Thanks, freaking Wizard of Oz, man. Am I right? Oh my gosh, that always reminds me of Wizard of Oz. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that.
One of the Bongoids
Hello.
Brutal warriors who apparently hate nefarious. They're called Agorians. I'm heading over there now to talk to them.
Quark, I don't think that's such a good idea.
Thank you.
Normally I'd agree with you, but the Fungoids insist that I leave as soon as possible. They even paid the Agorians to come pick me up. Isn't
XP
that
increase?
nice? I'll keep you posted. Work out.
Alright. Don't go away from me. Oh, I did. No, I didn't mean to hit that. Ooh, I'm gonna make it. Wow. Oh. Okay, there we go. Ground rail time. Ground rail. How was I supposed to know that flame would go off? Jeesh. Alright, going through the tubes, going through the... Whoa, gosh. Ah, how do you like me now? Hey!
Welcome, outsider. I apologize for the ruse, but we like to keep our operation away from the prying eyes of galactic authorities. Come, you have proven yourself worthy.
Alright, thank you. I understand. I don't... Whatever you guys are cooking, I never saw it. See? If you're cooking... Oh, it's another weird boost pad thing.
What'd you do?
So is this like a meth place or something? They cook meth here? That I can't turn it on. Where? There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that's so bad. Hey, now look at ooh, Dynamo of Doom, a pretty weird looking weapon.
Welcome back, Chief.
I think I'll wait till I have more money. But the battery bots are going rogue. What are we gonna do? We're gonna have to get them all. Wah! Wah! Got it. Ooh. Come here. Right in there. Oh my. Imagine if I was standing right there. Alright. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. Why am I singing a song? Let me see you get on the ground. Actually, I'll throw you at that. Alright. I almost missed. Watch out, bro. Okay. Take a grenade to the face, then. I don't mind. What is back here? Hello? It is a... Oh, it's one of those, upgrade packs. Accept. Trigger. Actually, I don't like that. This one's way better. You just have to hold it. Alright. The hell no. Why when I'm doing dangerous stunts? Why? Always when I'm doing dangerous stuff, this crap comes back online. Well, I guess I did put the battery button, didn't I? You should be saying thank you, not what's with the outsider. Oh my god. These guys are really freaking retarded. Okay. Oh my god, is that a Lombax? I've only been in the Polaris Galaxy for like 2 years now. I got you, homie. Where'd he go? Let's go. Wow. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of bolts in here, but you know I'm good. Oh my. Yeah, you're welcome. Just be like, yeah, you're welcome. Aw. What's up, bruh? Alright, I'm fine with that. Wow. Insta-kill too? Okay, send me right to the depths of hell. Alright. No problemo. Just kidding! I thought that was a pit to somewhere, but it's not. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, that's right. I'm blasting you with a blaster. A little constructor pistol. What you gonna do about it? Ooh, level 3. No, dun 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 dun. Whatever. Oh dang, this thing upgrades fast. Alright. I see you guys trying to get up and kill me. I don't appreciate it. After all I've done for you too. You get up, try to shoot me out of my life. Try to shoot me out of my life. How could you do that? So evil. Alright, get prepared for level 4 because it's gonna happen like right now. Are you flipping me? Are you flipping me? Alright, grenades. Grenades! Thank you. Is there another one? Nope, both are on the very edge, but we did not have enough of something to do it. Another one?
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth?
Ratchet reacts way too quickly.
You've lost the element of surprise.
What?
Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate.
Alright, fine.
Who sent you? Porcelain. You've lost the element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
What?
Lies!
Woo.
You're here to assassinate me.
Why not?
Who sent you? Porcelain. Nefarious. Figures stay like the
No, I sent myself. I freaking hate you.
Look at me. I'm a Lombax.
The Lombaxes are gone. And I know a hollow guys when I see one.
Well, then you're freaking retarded, because this obviously is not a hollow guys.
Try this.
Nope.
You're starting to annoy me.
Nope.
How about a barbecue?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
A train more before coming for me.
I'm doing the exact same crap as you. You're just blowing stuff up on the way.
I've toyed with you long enough.
So you're gonna assassinate me or kill me. Well, have fun with that, because I'm the only hope you have for saving the Lombaxes. Ugh. Oh my. Ugh.
It almost borders on Ellen.
Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Caden's son. Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they've come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor.
Yep.
Ah, here they are. Your father's Hoverboots. Ready for your first lesson?
Alright.
If you're going to stop Nefarious, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. Used properly, these Hoverboots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage.
Hold up. Let me turn it down. Sorry guys if I'm a little quiet. I wasn't in the mood for recording, but I don't know why I did anyways. Woo, I love these things.
If you want to turn, just shift your weight. The boosters will take care of the rest.
Dang, the double jump was pretty sick.
Ah! I see you found the accelerator.
I know.
I have set up a small practice course for you over here. Come on back when you're ready to give it a shot. Well, looks like you've got the basics down. Now let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hoverboot course.
I could do that in my sleep. Puh. Ding 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 ding. Woo! X wham! What's up, bruh? That's it. Just glide. So yeah, this is our substitute for Clank. Since Clank obviously isn't here, we have Hoverboots that fly us everywhere.
Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready?
Oh hell yeah!
All right. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
And now for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those Hoverboots.
You should anyways, because, you know, they're kind of my father's, not yours. Whatever. This is pretty easy. Let me just check something. Oh my gosh, if I would have missed that, I would have cried. I ain't even joking either. I seriously, I would have cried. Ooh, grind railing. I don't know why we have to grind rail, but okay.
That was some of the finest hoverbooting I've ever seen.
Thanks, bro.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terracnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank!
Alright, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed. Some kid. What was that? Oh, hell no. I gotta get this guy. You know I gotta get this guy. I don't know why I did that. Hell no, get your booty back here. No. Shoot. No. Where'd it go? Alright guys, be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GV. This has been another episode of Ratchet Clank feature A Crack in Time, and I'm out. Peace.